Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're all well today. It's midweek and I thought I'd make something really special for dessert. I've got some ricotta and some Creme Patissiere filled cannoli. Now cannoli are a traditional Sicilian dessert. They are absolutely delicious and they're really easy to make. So if you're interested in making your own, I didn't make the shells, I purchased the shells, but you know there are plenty of versions of making the shells available online. But I've made the creams or the fillings for you to show you how easy they are. So perhaps you might consider giving it a go. But anyway, stick around and watch the rest of it. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients, and I've got some corn flour combined with plain flour. And I've got caster sugar. I'm going to add that also. All the measurements will be down in the bottom. And I'm going to add some lovely orange peel for taste. Just give it a bit of a squeeze. And I've got some vanilla extract. A vanilla bean would be beautiful, but unfortunately I don't have one. So I'll just add a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to add enough water to make this into a smooth paste before I get it onto the stove. So don't add a lot at first. Just give it a good stir with a whisk. And that was lucky, that was quite enough, or just enough. It's a lovely smooth paste there, as you can see. Lovely smooth consistency. I've transferred my pot over to the heat now, and I'm going to add 2 egg yolks and incorporate those into the lovely smooth paste that I've made. Good stir, you can see. Just see if I can move you up a bit closer. That might be a bit better. And I'm going to now add the milk. And of course this has to be stirred continuously, kind of like a white sauce. So if you're proficient in making a white sauce, you'll be able to make this. And you can hear my young man meowing in the background, wanting attention. Anyway, here goes with the milk. And now it's just a question of stirring it as it heats. Okay, this is thickening quite well, so I'm just going to turn it down slightly, but it's getting lovely and thickened to the point where it's becoming a beautiful cream sauce, or not sauce, sorry, a lovely patisserie custard. And I've taken it, lifted it off the heat, because I don't want to scorch it or burn it. And obviously the more you keep stirring it, the lovely and smooth it will be. See how quick and easy that was? Now, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to add, or pour it out of the saucepan and put it into a bowl where it can rest and cool. Once it's fully cooled, if you don't intend to use it that same day, please refrigerate it. It'll have a lovely complex taste when it's cooled. So there it is. Now, some people would go so far as to actually put a little bit of yellow food colouring, but I'm a purist and I prefer not to use the food colouring in it. So basically that's it. I've got here 160 grams of caster sugar, and I'm going to add 500 grams of ricotta, full cream ricotta. Oops, how clumsy. And the last bit here. And to that I'm also going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. And the best quality cinnamon you can get, please go for that because it will make a difference. So just a level teaspoon of cinnamon. And we can start to give this a bit of a mash. And I'm using a fork, and I'll see how smooth it is. And if it's not smooth enough or as smooth as I like it, I'll actually pass it through a sieve. Now we need to add 60 grams of roughly chopped, good quality, at least 70% cacao chocolate, dark chocolate that is. Just tasted that, it's lovely. So just stir this through gently, and then basically that's it. You just have to put this in a piping bag and pipe it into your lovely cannoli, and you've got... Now it's the next morning, and I have passed the white cream that I made, that one. I've passed it through a sieve to get it all lovely and very smooth, and this is the end result here. And I've actually added some fresh whipped cream through it to make it really lovely and fluffy and gorgeous. It's very creamy and silky, and this one needs no further work because it's the ricotta one, and it's got the cinnamon through it and the chocolate. So I'm going to go ahead and put these into piping bags and pipe them into my cannoli shells. Now these are the cannoli shells. They're kind of they're very crispy. They've got a lovely sort of gentle vanilla flavour, and you can make these at home yourself, but you know, it's a lot of work, so I haven't even tried. I've just bought ready-made ones, and they're just as beautiful. So I'll get ahead and start filling them. Don't they look scrummy? So happy with the result, and they taste delicious. They look delicious, very appetizing. I'm going to cover them and put them in the refrigerator until tonight, and they'll stay lovely and crisp, and the fillings will get lovely and cold. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the lovely new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please hit the little bell and you'll get all my videos. And if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to comment in the box below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.